Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some areas of support and resistance mapped out. Things were looking very, very rough, and you know, I was planning on probably having a little bit harsher words to say. However, you got to give credit where credit's due. The final portion of the day, the price did, bounce very nicely to the upside. So that's definitely changed the dynamics of everything here. But let's first get the key level of support mapped out. And there's nothing fancy behind this other than the fact that this is essentially where the bleeding stopped today, right at 375. I get it. Yeah, right there. The price did temporarily drop below there, but the price held above and then, snap back above it. And that's essentially where the big bounce happened here. But 375, definitely that near term and key level of support. In the event the price cannot hold above 375, the next key level to watch is going to be the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, which you're going to have to be a little bit more proactive in regards to as a trader, because it is a moving average. Meaning, yeah, right now it's valued at 350, but as Wednesday and Thursday play out, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So therefore, this value is going to move and change. So if the price does break below 375, what the value of the 50-period moving average is at that point in time, your guess is as good as mine, but like I said, you'll just have to take an inventory check on your own and kind of keep an eye on where that is. But as of right now, the price is even threatening breaking down below 375. But nonetheless, if the price did somehow roll over, those would be the next couple areas of support to watch. What about levels of resistance? As far as the key levels going into Wednesday, in the near term, right there at $4 and right at 4, we'll call it 4 to make it even. So I guess technically speaking, the price did close 2 cents above it. And then the next overarching level is just where the party stopped from the opening 30 minutes, and that's up there at 435. So definitely, like I said, I was planning on coming in here talking about things and taking a different angle, but with the way that afternoon reacted has changed the dynamics here. So we'll see if this bounce can build into something more or not, but a lot of eyeballs going to be on this one for Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.